But luckily this time around they made it here. And they've been dying to come to London to perform. These guys are extremely funny, trust me. Now, what's up with this Brazilian hair right now that is I must ask seriously, what's up with it? How much is it now? 600-700 pounds? 700 pounds?
Like
Some. What's the most expensive one? 1,500 pounds. 1,500 pounds. That's 250. That's 375,000 for hair. For another woman's hair. My wife came to me the other day, baby, I think it was that 24 inches, right? That is 24 inches, like only 24 inches. She said that she called it was 350,000. How much be plot of land?
I swear.
No, seriously, think about it. 350K for hair, for a Brazilian woman's hair. Why don't people just fly to that Brazil and get the main? Are you from Brazil? Please come, let me give you 250. That's one right there. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Seriously. It's common, but it's fine. It makes them look beautiful, nobody to complain, guys are there playing.
No black girls now.
Paying bills. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I did a skit with this guy, first time. This guy followed him up, and this guy has about 9 million followers. This guy is extremely big, one of the biggest people we have blessing the stage. But just to let you know, let me just do a rundown. On performing tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we've got I Go Die in the building tonight.
He's one of the big guys.
We've got Bobby in the building.
I don't know Bobby.
Alright. Now let's do it this way. Please, when I mention every comedian's name, please do us a favor. We're recording this stuff. Pretend that you know them and you love them and you can't do without them. They're big. Because they're recording it and it's gonna go on sale, you understand, on DVD. I beg. Because I know when I start calling all these musicians, you people will now start screaming, and this is supposed to be a comedy show. But the musicians, they get all the credit. And most of these musicians, the people talk about it, everybody is now talking about swagger. Have you noticed? Swagger, I've got swagger, I've got this. I wear my bling, my crystal, this one, I popping crystal in the club, champagne, this one rosé, this, that. I saw a video, I went to a video shoot. These guys, they had about like 50 bottles of crystal. You're popping it, yo, got swagger, I got swagger in my blood, got swagger in my blood, swagger. Money, popping crystal. After the video, they took a cab home. Like now, where is this swagger? This is not swagger, this is wager. This is a very local. Swagger. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Bucci in the building tonight. We've got SIM card in the building. We've got I Go Save in the building. Thank you. We've got Ice Prince in the building. And when they called me, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Basket Mouth. And I make a show. All this dressing, we are dressed your waist. Oh boy, the cold in this country, I was there 3 weeks ago, it was cold, you guys are trying to. Even devil self, if you notice, there's not been much killings this recently. Devil has been cold. I say devil, they come and they smoke. Oh, it's cold. Talking about smoking, have you noticed that it's the people that smokes weed, they're the ones that comes up with the most stupid talks and ideas, and they have hope. I had two guys smoking around where we stay. They came to see us actually. We were downstairs. They were smoking skunk. Oh boy, Tunde, man, imagine me person just speak 50,000 pounds now. Who is going to lose 50,000 pounds for you to just come and smoke weed and You know what to hustle. They are hooping. I saw someone. Hey, boss, how you doing, man? Thanks for coming for the show. You're British, right? Thanks. Sure. Your wife? Wow. Nice. Thanks for coming. This is your first time coming for a comedy show? The first time. Don't worry, I'll talk to the comedians not to come to your part because normally when comedians comes on stage, we always attack the British people. We'll try to avoid you. We've got like one of you there. Where are you from? Are you from British as well? Are you British? You're from British, so what's Tiana? Who did they call? Counterpart. Don't fuck up. Master, where are you from? Are you from Britain? I remember those days, seriously. English is not our language. And I was trying to impress one babe. I said, let me use good English. I know this, if you go to like in Lagos like this, there are some girls that want to form like they have. I tell people most times, it's not every girl that looks hot that can actually speak good English. Seriously. I should preach on. I know you now. I know you. How you doing? Nice one. Thanks for coming. I saw one girl. She was talking to someone. She was on the phone, and she was like, "Have you gotten the address?" Yes, I'm in the up. Yeah, where are you? In the down? Yeah, I'm coming. Everyone was. But that one was small. They were calling one guy at the bank. The guy went to cash his check. He went to the bank. Like, hi, my name is blah blah blah. This is my check. He went back. They were now calling him. He didn't hear. He was on the phone. And the next thing, they now call him. He now heard. Hi, it's Tunde here. Hi, how you doing? Like, where were you? I've been calling you since. Where have you been? Where were you? He said, please stop it. Where were me? Where were me? Were me not here? I've been sitting down here. Were me not here? I don't really English jokes on the Tian because why I had to do that one? I had to cover my Tian. They call it Tian. No, do you want to know what Tian means? Tian. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, this guy did a show. I did a skit with him concerning the show. Extremely funny, very spontaneous. One of the most spontaneous brothers we've got. He's got heat on the web, serious heat on the web. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy is a comedian, an actor, a singer, a presenter.
That wasn't the singer.
And more other things that we don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the one and only. Let me use that for the recording purposes. We need it to be on tape that everybody was introduced properly. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage to perform right now for the first time ever blessing any stage in the UK. Make some noise for the one, the only. He has 80 knockouts, 20 draws, and 1 defeat, weighing 320 pounds. A round of applause for Don't Jealous.
Mommy, daddy, I see you there. I show. Don't jealous me. Shit, man. You didn't tell me, Basket, you didn't tell me this crowd is supposed to be plenty like this, so I'm scared. I'm going home. I'm only joking. Everybody make some noise! If you know that you have papers, you are legal in this country, make some noise! You guys are lying, man. Uncle, I see they are trying to lie. No, I'm not immigration. It's okay. Guys, how are all of you doing? Are you sure? You're fine. Chico, you're here. That's it. Lovely. Guys, do you know what? I'm so excited today. Ask me why I'm excited now. Ask me. Sorry, you're shouting. I'm excited because me